Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Thandi, and on this channel all things lifestyle, hair, beauty and inspiration. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my content, and to the new people, please become a part of this family by subscribing and also turning on your notification bar so you don't miss out on future videos. And of course, if you like today's video, please give it a nice thumbs up, leave me a nice comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And today's video, I'll be sharing with you a hair video on how I created this look that I'm wearing right now. I hope you like the video, guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Okay, so I'll just start off by moisturizing the hair with water. I'm just trying to comb it out, just trying to comb out the ends as well. Just make sure there's no ends on the hair. I'm going to go ahead with the Afro Butter Cream, just adding a little bit just to soften my hair. You can see I'm just literally putting it on the ends and then just distributing it in the hair. Then I've got some elastics from Clicks and some Vatica hair oil. I add some oil on the elastics just to make sure my hair doesn't break when I'm putting the elastics in my hair. So I part my hair in the middle, starting from the middle, and then I make a part on the side with the section of the hair. Then I oil the hair, and then I part it like a square. And then I add just a little bit of gel just on the roots of that square. Then I go ahead and add my elastic. And then I just tighten it, make sure that it's tight enough, and I just twist all the way down. Create like a twist, like a mini twist. I do the exact same right next to that. Part the hair. You know, try and create a straight line if I can. And I also create a nice square right next to that, exactly the same size. So I follow the first one as a guide. I do the same with the gel. And then I add my elastic. And then I tighten it and go ahead and do a twist as well. So that was pretty easy. So I'm going to do the same, guys, all the way to the side of my head, from the right to the left, the exact same, following the guide of those two that I did. Now I'm going to repeat the same process, exact same process, doing a next line. Parting the hair exactly the same way, oiling the hair, that's very important, oiling the scalp. Then I create a square again, and I create the same line across, right to front. Then I'm going to go ahead with my hair, that's Afro Kinky, and I'm going to crochet the hair individually. So crocheting is so easy, anybody can do this. So I want to do the same on both sides of my head, on the left and on the right. I'm not doing it all the way across, I'm just doing about 2 strands of the hair on the right and the left. So I'm not doing all the way across, I'm just doing about 2 strands on each side, and you'll see why later on in the video. Okay, so once I'm done, I go ahead and twist my own hair to the crochet to make sure that it stays together. And then at the back of my hair, the remaining hair, I'm just going to spray some water and then tie it down into a ponytail. Of course, just use the brush to make sure that I get the hair to lay down evenly. So I'm using a detangling brush. I really love the detangling brush because it lays down and it takes out any knots that might be remaining that the afro comb can't reach. And then I tie up my ponytail. Make sure that it's nice and secure. And that's what it would look like. So now I'm back to the front of my hair. So I'm doing a flat twist with the twists that I did. So I'm doing it across my forehead, starting from my right, going across to my left. So it could go either way. It wouldn't really matter, as long as I created the twist all the way around like a crown. Because you know, everybody's a queen, everybody's a princess. And that's what it should look like in the end. Then I add another piece of the Afro kinky hair to the back of my bun to make it extra nice and full. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.